Very good morning to all the students of class 9. Very welcome to all of you in your maths class, and the running chapter we are having is chapter number 3, factorization. So yesterday we were doing our exercise number 3F, and we have already done up to question number 12. So today I will be starting my session from question number 17. See, before starting this question, I would like to inform you that most of the questions of this exercise I have given the solution in the form of your PDF. So you all are advised to do all the questions from those PDFs by yourself in your school copies. And if you are facing any kind of trouble while doing the solutions, please drop me a message regarding to question number and exercise number. I will always be there for you to give the appropriate solution. So come on to question number 17, which is saying that 3 a power 7 b minus 81 a power 4 and b power 4. See, what was the formula we have opted for this particular exercise. For this exercise we were having the formula a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b in the first bracket and a square plus b square minus ab in the second bracket. Similarly, we studied about the formula a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b in the first bracket, a square plus b square and plus ab in the second bracket. These are the two formulas we are using for this exercise number 3F. And I hope yesterday you have got the derivation of this formula in the form of your video as well as in the form of your PDFs also. And you all are again advised to do all the derivations as well as questions in your school copies. So we will be giving solution for this particular question as per these two formulas. See, we are having here minus sign, so this formula can be applied. But we need cubic terms. Here we are having 3, which is not a cubic term. Here we are having 81. 81 is also not a cubic term. So to make it as a cubic term, 81 3 से अगर डिवाइड कर दिया जाए तो 27 आ जाएगा. और 27 क्या चीज़ है? एक क्यूबिक टर्म है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक आउट दिस 3 एज कॉमन. उसके अलावा हियर वी आर हैविंग 7 टाइम्स ऑफ a, here 1 time b, here 4 times of a and 4 times of b. So we can take here 3 as common, a power 4 as common, 3 as common, a power 4 as common and b as common. What is left inside the bracket? This 3 has gone for the common. a power 7 में से a power 4 कॉमन चला गया तो a power 3 बच गया. b था कॉमन चला गया तो सिर्फ a power 3 रहेगा. Now minus sign we have applied over here. 81, this is 27 into 3. 27 means 3 cube. I hope you know that 27 is a perfect cube of 3. तो हमें यहाँ पे perfect cube number भी मिल रहा है. a power 4 that has gone for the common. 4 times b, 4 में से एक बार कॉमन चला गया b, तो we are having b cube left with us. So a cube minus 27 b cube इसी फॉर्मेट में आ गया. We can do it like this. So how we will do this? 3 a power 4 b in the curly bracket, this is a cube minus this is 3 b whole cube, and this will stand for 3 a power 4 b in the first bracket a plus b, sorry, a minus b. A minus b means a minus 3b. in the second bracket a square, this is our a square, plus b square, plus b means 3b, we are having 3b square, plus ab, plus a का मतलब this a into b का मतलब 3b. So this is done like this. Now simple things are left. This will become 3a power 4b in the other bracket, a minus 3b and a square, plus 3 square means 9, b square means b square, plus 3ab. So this is the complete factorization of this question number 17 we have. So do it in your class of copies, and after getting into the question number 17, just move on to question number 20. See, question number 18 and 19 both are having similar solution. First we have to take out something common. You have to find out what we have to take as a common. लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन निकालने के बाद it will start following these two formulas. So you have to factorize. First take out something common. वो आप खुद से सोचना, देखना, अगर नहीं आता है तब मेरे को बोलना. Then I will help you for the solution. But first of all, try by yourself. So come on to question number 20. Question number 20 is saying factorize 1029 minus 3x cube. See, 1029, it is not a perfect cube, and 3, it is also not a perfect cube. लेकिन यहाँ से गौर करिए तो 3 ऐसा नंबर बैठा हुआ है जिसको हम कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. कब? जबकि 1039 3 से डिविजिबल हो, कॉमन निकलने लायक. यानी 1029 में हम 3 से अगर डिवाइड करके देखते हैं तो 3 3 जा 9, 1 बच गए, 2 नीचे आ गया, 3 4 जा 12, खत्म हो गया, ये 9 नीचे आया एंड 3 जा. So we can say that 3 is common over here and here. Both the places are having 3 as common. So take out your 3 as common. So what will left here? 343 minus 3 as common. Then only x cube is left. So identify 343. In the last video, I have asked you to learn perfect squares as well as perfect cubes. अगर आपने याद किया होगा, then you will come to know that this is a perfect cube of 7. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. So we can write down here 7 cube. This is 3 in the bracket 7 cube minus x cube. This will stands for a cube minus b cube. That means a minus b in the first bracket, a minus b in the first bracket. In the second bracket, a square plus b square and plus ab. ab means 7 into x. That means it will become 3 in the bracket 7 minus x. 7 square is 49 plus x square plus 7x, and this is your final factorization result. So things are quite simple and easy if we have learned or worked on 2-3 things. Like first thing, we have to learn about the perfect squares and the perfect cubes. Perfect square up to 30, perfect cubes कम से कम 10 तक तो मालूम होना चाहिए. और उसके अलावा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ इस फैक्टराइजेशन के चैप्टर को करने के लिए लर्निंग द फॉर्मूलाज. यू आर हैविंग 9 फॉर्मूला रिलेटेड टू this particular chapter. If you have learned the formula, then only you can do it. अगर formula नहीं याद है तो एग्जामिनेशन में solution attempt करने की कोशिश भी ना करें, आंसर नहीं आएगा. So getting more forward, come on to question number 24. question number 24 is saying see, I hope you all are doing these works, video lectures as well as your PDFs in your school copy. So question number 24 is saying 8a cube minus b cube minus 4ax plus 2bx. This is the thing. See, it is one of the important questions. इसमें क्यूबिक फॉर्मूला लगाने के पहले कुछ और भी इसमें टेक्निक लगी हुई है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखिए 8a क्यूब रखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे 4a है, साथ में x भी लगा हुआ है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर मेकिंग पेयर ऑफ दिस एंड दिस. सो दिस कैन बी 8a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब कैन बी रिटन एज 8 का मतलब 2 का क्यूब, तो 2a होल क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब. ये तो एक सेट हो गया. सेकेंड सेट की अगर बात करें तो हियर वी आर हैविंग नेगेटिव साइन एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग 2 नेगेटिव साइन. तो 1 नेगेटिव साइन वी कैन टेक एज कॉमन ले लिया. यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, यानी 2 कॉमन हो सकता है, हमने 2 कॉमन ले लिया. यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ भी x है, कॉमन हो सकता है, हमने ले लिया. तो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, दिस इज 2 into 2. एक बार 2 कॉमन में चला गया तो एक बार 2 बच गया. a कॉमन में नहीं गया तो बाकी बचा होगा. x कॉमन में चला गया, 2 बार माइनस था, एक माइनस कॉमन में चला गया, एक माइनस बचा. 2 गॉन एज कॉमन, b बचा हुआ है, and x has gone as common, then close down the bracket. Here we can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. This will stand for a minus b in the first bracket. In the second bracket, a square plus b square plus ab. That means 2a into b. Close down the bracket. Then after we are having minus sign. Put the minus sign over here. 2a minus b. 2x रखा and 2a minus b. C. In the next step, it will become 2a minus b in the first bracket. Second bracket, this will become 4a square. 4a square plus this is b square plus 2ab minus 2x in the bracket 2a minus. देखिए, this is the first portion, then minus sign, and this is the second portion. And in both the parts, you can find out that 2a minus b is common over here. यहाँ भी 2a minus b रखा हुआ है और यहाँ पर भी 2a minus b रखा हुआ है. So I am taking 2a minus b as common. So if I take 2a minus b as common, then what is left inside the bracket? This complete thing will be left over here. 4a square plus b square plus 2ab and minus 2x is also with this. So this is the complete factorization done. Nothing can be done after this particular step. So complete factorization we have done for this particular question. The same question we are having in question number 25 that I have given you in the form of PDF. ठीक है, तो this type of question, 2 questions were there. For both of the questions I have given you solution. This one in the form of video and the other 25th one is in the form of your PDF form. So let us move little more ahead. Rest of the questions are in the form of PDF. देखिए, इस तरह का एक क्वेश्चन आपके लिए छोड़ रहा हूँ. Question number 27. You will be getting that question in your homework today. So question number 27 in the same format you have to do. Then by the time come on to question number 30. question number 30 is saying that x power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. Now, what can we do here? It is not going to follow any of the formula. Yes, it is not going to follow any of the formula. Then what we can do now? See, here we are having x power 6 and here x power 3. यहाँ पर भी हम x की पावर 3 लेकर के आ रहे हैं. कैसे? We can write down x power 3 whole square. It is 2 3s are 6, x power 6, and this is 7x cube minus 8. अब क्या कर सकते हैं? See, we are having here x cube square and here x cube. So let us consider, let x cube equals to k. जहाँ कहीं भी x क्यूब है हम वहाँ पे जरा k रख करके देखते हैं कि हमें क्या मिलता है. This is x cube, that means it is k and square minus 7 and k minus 8. So we have made it in the form of quadratic polynomial. We have made it quadratic. The maximum power of k is 2. That means we have made it as a quadratic polynomial. We can go for the middle term splitting. This is 7. अब इस 7 के दो ऐसे पार्ट करने हैं जिन दोनों पार्ट को ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो हमें यहाँ पे 7 मिल जाए, और उन्हीं दोनों पार्ट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर we should get -8 1 जा -8. तो दो पार्ट कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? एक पार्ट हो सकता है 8, एक पार्ट हो सकता है 1. 8 minus 1 करेंगे we will get 7. 8 into 1 करेंगे we will get 8. So I'm going to write it down like this: k square minus 8 minus 1 k minus 8. So this will become k square minus 8k minus into minus plus k minus 8. So pairing first pair and the second pair. In the first pair we are having k as common. So take out k as common. What is left inside the bracket? 1 time k minus 8. K minus 8 is left. Here we are having plus 1 is common. So plus 1 is common. What is left inside the bracket? K minus 8. So see the entire algebraic expression, k minus 8 here also, k minus 8 here also. So take out k minus 8 as common. What is left in the second bracket? K plus 1. Now we have factorized, but it is in the form of k. What was the actual value given to us? K का मतलब क्या? X cube. So we can put x cube in the place of k. Just go for it. This is x cube minus 8. 8 का मतलब होता है 2 का क्यूब. दूसरे ब्रैकेट में x का मतलब k का मतलब x क्यूब प्लस 1 का मतलब 1 क्यूब. We can write it down 1 cube also, because 1 into 1 will result to 1. So 1 can be written as 1 cube. So we are having now in the form of formula a cube minus b cube. This is a cube minus b cube and this is a cube plus b cube. So first of all I am going to put the value of this a cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b in the first bracket. Second bracket a square plus b square plus ab. Done. Now going to solve this one. A cube plus b cube is a plus b in the second bracket, a square plus b square minus ab. So now we are supposed to write it down properly. This is x minus 2. देखिए सब कुछ मल्टीप्लाई में है, सब कुछ मल्टीप्लाई में मीन्स दिस ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस ब्रैकेट, तो हम जगह आगे पीछे चेंज कर सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑल आर इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो राइट इट डाउन प्रॉपरली. इट इज x माइनस 2 x प्लस 1, ये और ये मैंने लिख लिया. देन x स्क्वायर प्लस दिस इज 2 स्क्वायर मीन्स 4 प्लस 2x and last bracket x square plus 1 minus x. This is the complete factorization for this particular question number 30. देखिए इसमें क्वेश्चन में हमने थोड़ी सी ट्रिक का भी यूज किया है. इसको सबसे पहले हमने x क्यूब को k की वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, फिर k रख करके क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के जैसे हमने उसको सॉल्व करके ये दो फैक्टर्स निकाल लिए और इन दो फैक्टर्स में हमने k की वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, तो हमारे पास दोनों ही ब्रैकेट्स में a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब और a क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब का फॉर्मूला फॉलो करना शुरू हो गया. बस हमने उसको जो है एज पर द फॉर्मूला वी हैव केप्ट ऑल द वैल्यूज विद देयर रिस्पेक्टिव साइन. साइन के साथ हमने कोई भी चेंज नहीं किया. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस, क्वाइट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन. सी आई हैव गिवन वन क्वेश्चन टू यू, क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. I hope you have seen the PDF question number 34, and if you are facing any kind of trouble in question number 34, please drop me a message. Now come on to question number 35. See, question number 35 is saying that factorize x plus 2 whole cube minus plus x minus 2 whole cube, x plus 2 whole cube and x minus 2 whole cube, and we have to factorize this. देखिए इसको फैक्टराइज करने के दो तरीके हो सकते हैं. पहला तो हम a प्लस बी होल क्यूब का फॉर्मूला लगा लें, दूसरा चाहे तो हम इसको a और इसको b एज्यूम करके a क्यूब और b क्यूब का फॉर्मूला लगा लें. ठीक है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई a plus b whole cube. So this is a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, bracket close. a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. फिर प्लस का साइन है, लगा दिया. इन द अदर ब्रैकेट a क्यूब यानी x क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब यानी 2 का क्यूब माइनस 3a स्क्वायर b. a स्क्वायर मीन्स x स्क्वायर, b मीन्स 2 प्लस 3x into 2 square. a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This stands for a minus b whole cube. Now first of all we are going to multiply and minimize them. This will become x cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus 3 to the 6 x square plus 3 and this is 2 to the 4. 2 square means 4. 4 3 is 12x. This will stand for 12x. फिर प्लस का साइन है. दूसरे ब्रैकेट में x क्यूब माइनस दिस इज 8 माइनस 3 to the 6 x square minus 6 x square and plus 2 to the 4. This is 2 square, so 2 to the 4, 3 is 12x. प्लस में 12x. रीचेक कर लेते हैं. x क्यूब यस, माइनस 8 यस, 3 to the 6x square with minus sign. Very good. Plus this is 2 square means 4. 3s are 12 and x. Done. Now open all the brackets. What will happen? This is x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x plus into plus x cube plus into minus 8 plus into minus 6x square plus into plus 12x. Now see, I have opened all the bracket and this is plus 8 minus 8 cancelled. This is plus 6x square and minus 6x square cancelled. What is left with us? We are left with us 2x cube. X cube plus x cube, 2x cube and 12x plus 12x, that means 24x. We can say that there are certain things common. सबसे पहले तो 2 कॉमन है. Here we are having 3 times x and here we are having 1 time x. So 1 time x is also common. Take it out. What is left inside the bracket? 2 has gone for the common. 1 time x has gone for common. So 2 times x is left. X square is left with us plus 24. 24 means 12 into 2. तो 2 कॉमन चला गया तो 12 बचा हुआ है. एक x था वो भी चला गया कॉमन में. तो this is your final result, which is saying 2x in the bracket x square plus 12. So this is the end of the exercise here, exercise number 3F. In today's PDF you will be getting some concept of exercise number 3G. Tomorrow we will be starting our exercise number 3G. So you all are advised to do all those conceptual things related to exercise 3G in your school copy. Please go through all the things thoroughly from your book, from your PDF. और उसके जो एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं उनके एग्जाम्पल्स भी करने अति आवश्यक हैं. तो प्लीज़ डू दैट इन योर स्कूल कॉपीज़. तो एक बार रिवाइज कर लीजिएगा PDF को, जिसमें मैंने आपको 3G के फॉर्मूले वगैरह दिए हुए हैं, 1-2 सॉल्यूशन भी करके दे रखा है. सो टुमारो वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग आवर exercise number 3G, because 3F is over. Rest of the question are there in your PDF. So do hard and work has to be done in your school copy. By the time, very best of luck to all of you. Stay safe and stay home.